Vital Rich Concept. Today I'm going to show you how I came about this beautiful packaging for cashew nuts. Yeah, very beautiful and lovely packaging, attractive. So I'm going to show you all the secrets. So right now I'm going to open it and then pour the content so that you can see the content. Yeah, there's a content: cashew nuts, fresh cashew nuts, crunchy cashew nuts. So this is the inside of the packaging. This is inside of the packaging. This is how it looks like. So in this video I'm going to show you the whole secret. So let's go. Get our industrial nylon rolls, which is good for all manner of packaging. Place your order too for our lined surface mini hand sealer and the smooth surface mini hand sealer. Get our WhatsApp number from our bio to place your order for all these things. Get our branding course for MSMEs, all manner of products you want to package. You can get our branding course to brand your products. Brand the nylon rolls just like that, the way companies do their own branding without you using any single printing machine. Contact us today. Get our WhatsApp number from our bio. Thank you. So here is my cashew nuts. I bought this cashew nuts for 1,500 naira in Nigeria. Cashew nuts are quite expensive. Now the packaging method I'm going to show you today, you have to use it for products that the prices are high. This will enable you to recover your packaging cost and also make your good profit. You can start using this packaging method for small items of lower prices. This is the paper sticker we are going to be using. Then this is the nylon we are going to be using. You can use any nylon you can use with impulse sealer. Any nylon you can use with impulse sealer is okay. Okay, so you have to get the measurement of the paper sticker on the nylon, and you cut it out. Now right here I'm using A4 paper sticker, so I'm going to get the measurement of that A4 paper sticker on my nylon, then I'll cut it out. So you just watch the process. Now you can use, if you have another if you have any nylon that the size is equivalent to the A4, you can use it. It doesn't necessarily mean that you must use this nylon I'm using. Any nylon that is available to you, as long as you can seal it on impulse sealer, you can use such nylon. So right now I'm cutting out the measurement of the A4 on the nylon. Okay, here is it. Here is it. Yeah. Okay, now I am going to cut off the excess on that right hand side. I'm cutting it off right now. Okay, now any other excess on any side, I'll make sure I cut them off. Now if you want to use this packaging method, then the way you can make it easier and cheaper for you is by buying your paper sticker, is by printing in bulk. So that will help you and make it cheaper for you. So the next thing you're going to do is to remove the paper at the back of the paper sticker. So you open up the paper sticker, then remove the paper behind, but you have to do that strategically. So you have to watch now to understand how I'm doing it. If you don't do it strategically, it will mess up the whole thing. Everything will just be so rough and so untidy. So you watch. So you separate the initial set, just a little bit that you're going to separate, then carefully paste it on the nylon, then rub it the way I'm rubbing it right now, so it will spread evenly. Then turn it around the other side, the other way, the way I've turned it now. Then open up more and be pressing it gently, just the way I'm doing it now. As you open small, you take it down gradually, carefully, and then be rubbing it so that it will be smoothing as they are sticking, as the paper sticker is sticking on the nylon. It will be able to stick neatly without being rough. That's what you're trying to avoid here. You're trying to avoid the whole thing from being rough and untidy. So you do it like this, gradually be taking down the opening the paper sticker gradually and be rubbing, closing up. Just the process continues until you finish the whole thing for the whole paper sticker. Okay, so this is the last part. So you rub it so everything will be smooth and neat. You can now see the nylon and the paper sticker have gummed together. All right, now I'm cutting off any excess nylon, because so that there won't be any excess nylon that will be showing, after we have finished with the packaging. Everything must be neat, so I'm cutting off any excess nylon on any side. Okay, now that I'm done, I fold the papers into 2 equal parts. Yeah, I fold the paper into 2 equal parts, and then make sure that the 2 sides are equal. All the sides, that all the edges are equal. Okay, the next thing you're going to do now, you seal it up with your impulse sealer. When you seal it, make sure your heat is high so that it will seal it up very well. Remember, the 2 nylons inside, they will just seal, they will just close up. The 2 nylons that are inside, they will just close up. Okay, so make sure your impulse sealer setting is on the high degree, at least above the middle. Okay, now we are finished. I've sealed it. Now I am now positioning it in such a way that the place I sealed would be at the back. Remember our back sealing, so this is back sealing. Now I'll seal the down part just the way I sealed the back. So make sure your impulse sealer is at the high level of the heating. Okay, you cut off any excess parts so that everything will be equal. Now you fold it and press it in such a way that you can now add the cashew nut. Okay, so you add the cashew nut. Cashew nut is quite expensive, so is a kind of packaging, is a kind of product you can use this kind of packaging to do. Anything that the cost of the item will be high, so that you'll be able to recover your packaging costs. Okay, so after adding your product, then you seal up again. All right, you seal up again with the same temperature you used the other time. Wow, this is our packaging. This is it. This is our packaging for cashew nut, vital rich cashew nut. See the back sealing, see the back sealing. Okay, this is the front. You can see how beautiful it is. Wow. So this is one method you can use to package products with high prices. Please like this video, share it wide so that everyone who needs it will come in contact with it. Make your comment. Thank you for watching my video. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. Watch out for my next video.